In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect n8n to Base44. We'll be working inside Base44 to link one of your app actions to an n8n webhook so your workflow can trigger automatically when a user interacts with your project. This is a simple setup, but it helps to move carefully so everything connects properly. To begin, go to Base44 and sign into your account if needed. Once you're inside the platform, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and click on All Apps. This is where you can view the projects available in your workspace. From there, open the project you want to connect to n8n. Make sure you choose the correct app, especially if you manage multiple projects, because the webhook will be attached to an element inside this specific one. Once the project is open, click on Edit. This will take you into the editing view, where you can modify the behavior and settings of your app components. After that, click on the gear icon. The gear icon is typically where configuration options live, so this is where you'll go to adjust the settings for the element you want to connect. Next, click on Edit Element. This is the step where you'll access the settings for a particular button or action in your app. You'll want to identify the exact element that should trigger your n8n automation. For example, this could be a submit button, a form action, or another interactive component. Now add a webhook to that button or action and paste your copied n8n webhook URL into the integration field. Before this step, you should already have your webhook URL copied from n8n, so you can paste it directly without interruption. Be careful to paste the full URL exactly as provided. Even a small mistake in the link can prevent the connection from working correctly. After the webhook has been added and the URL is in the integration field, click on Create Workspace. This finalizes the setup on the Base44 side and saves the configuration so the app can use that webhook connection. At this point, your Base44 project should be connected to n8n through the webhook you added. As a helpful tip, it's a good idea to test the button or action right away to confirm that the webhook fires and that n8n receives the request as expected. If it doesn't work immediately, double check that you edited the correct element and that the webhook URL was pasted correctly. And that's it, you've now connected n8n to Base44.